Hi everyone, good morning. Today is March 15, 2025 and meron tayo ditong mga things for a birthday party celebration because our son will be celebrating with his friends dito sa bahay and we've got some items here since gusto niya ng Pokemon birthday party. So we've got here these party bags. Yan. So, dito natin ilalagay yung giveaways ng mga bata later on. And we do have here Pokemon mini stamps para sa giveaways. And meron tayo ditong Pokemon balls since it is Pokemon. Yan. So, meron siyang toys sa loob. And ilalagay din natin ito mamaya sa kanilang gift bags. And some balloons na ipapop natin, ipo-blow natin later on. And meron siyang number 6 dito. Yan. So, titignan natin kung ano yung mga nakalagay pa dito later on. Meron tayo ditong Capri Sun na juice or Tetra Pak juice. Tama ba ako? Yan. So, meron din tayo ditong pang DIY para sa mga kids para maging busy sila later on. So, yan. Pwede nila ito. They will gonna design it later on pag gusto nila. And these are the things or the stickers na pwede nilang idikit and then some colors. And then they can design this bird's house later on. So yan, mag-i-start na tayo na mag-prepare for the celebration of our son's birthday party.